W. I'll walk up to the alarm. Bang! Oh God!
Road barriers.
Down. Down.
There we go. Now the time
This one clips the curve. Right, there we go. Now the time is 9:53 on the 16th of August on a Tuesday, and this is 4. He's not too bothered. I've done it in front of him before. He doesn't really care.
09.
This is for the 09
Your 0956
56 0956 443 uniform freighter service from Freightliner service from Felixstowe North FLT to Doncaster Ept.
Freightliner. I mean FLT means Freightliner.
To Doncaster Ept Flingers. What are we flinging? What I don't understand is we're not flinging anything. We're not going like that and flinging it.
Freightliner, so
We're not flinging the cord like that, are we? Joe, this actually clips the curb here. Like if you can actually see, it hits the curb. Joe, this barrier hits the curb. Joe, right there, hits the curb. I've actually, there was a video, and it doesn't have the closure in, but there is a video of Great Northern Terrace in like 2006.
Do you reckon they'll upgrade all the old LED lights to new LED lights?
Not anytime soon.
Because these cost...
Not within 25 years.
The older LED lights actually go dim quite quickly.
They won't replace them within 25 years, Joe.
How do you know that?
Because my dad told me when B of them Stray got upgraded. Well, this one was done in 2009. So what's that? Take away 7 years. This one's got 19 years left until it could get the next generation LEDs.
Old and dreadful.
Look, they've only been here 7 years.
That's probably what they do like with
They're meant most.
Day if I'm still filming in that amount of time, one day we'd be like looking for got old LED lights. Let's go and film it. Rare. Like halogen lights are rare these days.
Yeah. But then
they'll probably make lights with one big light, with one big LED bulb in it.
I don't think they will anytime soon though. Oh Joe, look, it's torn the bit there. Look, it's torn here. It's torn all the rubber off there.
Oh.
It's because it's so tight. And we've got 60, I think. 66, 550. And this is the end of 66, 515, and up they go. Ugh, once it actually goes up. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.